guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petway Premiership. Orlando Pirates 3, Kaizer Chiefs 0. I'm joined by Sizok Chola. It's Gog. Kolani. No, Kolani.
Oh, Kolani.
It's Kolani. Kolani. Yeah. I want drugs.
I want drugs.
Yeah.
I want drugs in jail.
Put more shit. Yeah, I don't know. Nice the light. Sure.
As long as games, Tivo.
Sure.
Mbele na cheat, mbele abantu abasifollowayo, Tivo. Baqhubeke basifollow.
Yeah, always like.
They pull up fast, Tivo. Kusebusuku, Tivo.
Yeah,
I'm preparing izinto eziningi.
Sure.
I was happy, Tivo.
Yeah.
I'm still happy, Tivo.
Yeah.
Beautiful game.
Sure.
To both teams. Ngiyayibonga iChiefs kusibazwakele.
Yeah.
Ekhayilabo.
Sure.
Ngiyababonga bazwakele. It was a good game, Tivo.
Yeah.
They trying to catch us pound to pound.
Yeah.
Try to catch us counter attack.
Sure.
Snake speed the move us too.
Too much.
Auto. It was dangerous.
Yeah, very dangerous.
Congratulations to Coach Wadu, technical team.
Yeah.
A better game today.
Yeah.
I'd like to game also lose the last.
Sure.
Steve, turn up police of my fans abang landela. Menge Steve.
Yeah.
Regards to my circumstances,
no.
But I'm back now. So you pull out everything. So improve, Steve. Every day I improve. Without more, no comments are negative, positive in the comments. So I improve every day, you know. But I would like to say congratulations to Orlando team.
Yes.
Orlando fans. Arena.
Yeah.
You know, squad as Arena song, Steve. It was a good game.
Sure.
Coach the technical my tactics na trends work.
Yeah.
It did well, Steve.
Very well, Steve.
Fagu Makaula as a defensive, he did well, exceptionally well.
Yeah.
Makaula Kulmana no Mbata.
Yeah.
If I'm a fans are complaining Mbata Mugenzalan. If I'm a fans are complaining go to Mahopang Milabu Mugenzalan.
Yeah.
That's the question I have for Coach Wadu. I still have so many questions for him. Good see why Banga Batal Sanga, that's part 2 days.
Yeah.
But Silana Fanda, Wadalile Fanda, congratulations to Machita, improve it and Kulmanga Umbata, and Kulmanga Uswelebele. Outly Gamnandi, exceptional well, Steve.
Top performance.
For me, I see right back, but the way Jalanga corner still deserve that position.
Yeah.
Van Rooyen is the best, but Uswelebele so far, the game was proved.
Raise his hand.
Makaula was proved, Steve. Really on and off Vandag.
Yeah.
But I understand he protected the midfield.
Yeah, he did.
You know, he played a big role up at number 10. No one can play like Urili. Urili doesn't. He's still.
Ageko.
Never.
Notito.
Stivo, Chiefs them by Shanga Kumla by 2 million kun.
Yeah,
by Shanga Kumla boy. I'm like, hey, let him be, you know. But no, man, I'm a coach. Abana coach. Second half coming to Chiefs is Tibo.
Sure.
Umpenchela numtu abe okarampenchanga abeko. Uvila gazageko.
Soka pititi.
Awufaki no Serino. Serino kazokupa something.
Ba.
Chiefs is pets kasudlala Tibo.
Sure.
Abayadlala Tibo.
Not serious.
I will say Tibo ngina amagama amaningi Fanda. I'm preparing next ngisazo prepare I'm back Tibo. Ngizopheka something. Nama fans abangikhuthaza. Sibuyile Tibo but I want to say Tibo. Arena Agdala. I know.
Anyalboni Polel Dalayo.
Agdala. Mamela Steve. Sasa nalawa nomba nga win ali.
Yeah.
Sundawan. Steve, Sia Cruiser Steve. Nicely.
You sound like a cruise. At the start of the season. No, because you were sure.
Steve, we again an interview. Because badala Steve. Malela, Istanbul says. This one level says.
Sure.
You understand?
Sure.
Bayasuga, Bay Steve. Istanbul is phone number 4.
Yeah.
Isolele na says phone number 5. Amazulu lana angi coach futhi Amazulu is Kukune. So I'm a coach Steve. Awakhohle. Esazodlala nabo futhi vie.
Ngizobaphinda.
Ah.
Ngizobaphinda la.
Ah nyana. Hayi.
Uyashanga ngabajimi.
I just praised Tibo Sibayise Arena.
Yeah.
Angibafuni lana. Ngicela iOrlando Pirates Tibo community yabo sibahlangane Tibo. Ama game wethu.
Yeah.
Sidliwe lana ngeSundown.
Yeah.
Asiye le arena angeke sidlule lena njalo siwa singivale awuthami ngiyabonga ngibuyile ngizothela ubabayi ngizobona next week awuthami
thank you Jaya back like you never